Rahul is running late for work, again. In a hurry, he grabs his keys and rushes out of the house, his mind racing with stress and urgency. He gets into the car and puts the key in the ignition. As the engine hums to life, his eyes fall on the seat belt. He hesitates for a moment, thinking to himself, it's just a short drive. Then the question lingers in his mind. Should I skip my seat belt since it's just a short drive? Rahul, skipping the seat belt is risky, even on short trips. One crash can be fatal. It's also an 1000 rupees fine. Buckle up, every time. As Rahul continues driving, he glances at his watch and realizes he's running very late. Frustration builds up. The road ahead is clear, a long stretch of empty highway. He grips the steering wheel tighter. I'm late and the road's empty. Should I just speed up to save time? Rahul, overspeeding risks lives and can cost up to 2000 rupees in fine. Rahul is rushing to an important client meeting. As he approaches a busy signal, the light turns red. He glances around, no traffic police in sight. He presses the brake but his foot hesitates on the pedal. Should I wait for the signal to turn green? Rahul, that decision could cost more than time. Jumping a red light attracts a 1000 rupees fine, but worse, it can trigger fatal accidents. A moment's hurry can lead imprisonment if someone's injured or killed. Rahul is moving steadily. Up ahead, he sees a large bus is blocking his view and slowing him down. He finds that the bus is moving slow and he feels stuck. Then he notices there's a bit of space on the left side beside the bus. Should I just cross from the left? Rahul, left side overtaking is risky and illegal. It can cost you 5000 rupees or worse. Rahul is late for office. At a tricky junction, he saw the U-turn was far. He thought, no cops around, maybe I'll just go the wrong way. I'm already late. If I take the wrong way, I'll reach faster. Should I do it? Even a short detour can result in a head-on collision. It's a punishable offense, a 1000 rupees fine, and may cost you your license, or worse, someone's life. office hours, Rahul meets his friends near the parking lot. One of them suggests, let's just sit in your car and have a couple of drinks, no big deal. Rahul pauses. It's been a long day. The idea feels tempting. Maybe I could go for a couple of drinks and drive back. Should I drink with my friend? Rahul, drunk driving is a criminal offense, can cost you 10,000 rupees, your license, or even your freedom. Don't risk it.